I am the parent of a second-year student at Hampshire.
The proud parent of a Hampshire student.
The second year student at Hampshire College.
I love that Hampshire doesn't give grades, and so does my child. He gets really in-depth narrative feedback from his professors.
The evaluations, they were not just mere 5 sentences. They were a page long, very in-depth, very detailed.
And that has been invaluable to him in direction in terms of, mastery of material, but also his writing craft, his speaking. An A, a B.
C, D, it does not really give you a perspective of, a true perspective or a true picture of what you accomplished that semester, what you did that semester.
I think grades give you an external benchmark.
It wasn't a letter grade that was motivating her. It was really her trying to incorporate what she learned into her life, into her future livelihood.
It's sort of like this transformation that happens to, I think, a lot of students who attend Hampshire. You're very independent, and nobody's telling you what to learn. And so without any limitations, you end up learning so much more.
Hampshire, at its core, believes in interdisciplinarity. Hampshire gives you an ability to ask questions from many different perspectives.
I think it's a good direction for education to go in. I think more colleges should really adopt this kind of curriculum.
It gave them lifelong lessons in terms of how to learn and how to teach yourself and how to keep moving forward as a student. And they all have advanced degrees and have continued to learn and find out new things.
I will say from my own personal experience as an educator, I want to see students who can learn how to create, who can learn how to think and analyze and problem solve. Those are the kind of learners I want to see coming out into the world. They're the ones that are going to help us through all these challenges. And I think that's what Hampshire is doing. Those are the kinds of learners that Hampshire is nurturing and co-creating.